Anchor Packers Australia is an industry-leading, Australian-owned company defined by its revolutionary anchor packer design. Its innovative system produces an automated, faster and more cost-effective grouting technique for anchoring systems. Current anchoring practices require that a hole must be waterproof prior to an anchor installation. A hole that fails the waterproof test may have water inflowing or outflowing from the hole. In order to achieve a waterproof hole, the hole must first be waterproof grouted and then re-drilled prior to an anchor installation. Therefore, a minimum of 2 drilling and 2 grouting procedures are required. Our custom design enables the integration of multiple processes to be incorporated into one highly efficient process. The use of anchor packers can double productivity and halve anchor installation costs. The Anchor Packer Australia's design components include tremie lines that allow grout to be pumped into the hole and formation at various depths, bleed lines that allow water to be displaced from the hole with grout during pressure grouting, inflatable glands that seal the anchor and hole in order to allow pressurised grout to be pumped into the formation and hole annulus, digital grout interface that monitors and controls the electronic valve system throughout the grouting operation. It's features like the digital grout interface that separate Anchor Packer's design from the competition. The digital grout interface creates a digital log of the pressures, flow rates and volumes in the hole at defined intervals. It is ideal for all grouting situations where a recorded log detailing the grouting process is required. This includes conventional grouting processes such as grout curtains in dams and conventional anchoring. Once the hole has been drilled to the appropriate depth, the anchor packer assembly is deployed into the hole. Once inflated, the anchor packer creates an airtight seal within the hole via the series of inflatable rubber glands. This allows the anchor to be pressure grouted in situ, enabling a single drill grout operation. It effectively fills any voids within the formation, as well as filling the hole with structural grout. As grouting begins via the tremie lines, the grout is pumped into the outer annulus of the system until the pressure in the hole exceeds the aquifer's pressure by 20 kilopascals. In cases where no artesian aquifers are present, the hole is pressurised to 20 kPa above atmospheric pressure. At this point, additional water ingress will not occur because the pressure is maintained within the hole and now exceeds that of the aquifer. Once the outer annulus has filled approximately 50% of the hole with grout, the filling of the inner annulus can begin. Optionally, the inner annulus can be a factory grouted DSI anchor system. A DSI factory pre-grouted anchor ensures that high quality grout is placed between the corrugated sheath and the anchor bar, as well as ensuring ultimate waterproofing of the anchor bar and service life of the system. These anchor bars are significantly easier to install and grout. The anchor bar is encased by corrugated HDPE, high density polyethylene casing, which provides a waterproof barrier for the anchor bar. During the entire grouting process, the digital grout interface controls the flow of grout to where it is required and will open the bleed lines, which controls the pressure within the hole and displaces the grout as grout enters the pressurised space. Once the hole is full of grout that meets specifications, the hole is shut in and continues to be pressure grouted until it reaches refusal. The hole is then disconnected from the grouting station and pressure is maintained on the hole using water pressure for 4 hours. The digital grout interface performs a flush function of the system using compressed air and water. This ensures the solenoid valves are kept clean and grout free. The interface will prompt the user to flush the system every 2 hours. Once the grout has set, the packer may be removed from the bar. The air is deflated and the anchor packer is removed from the hole and may be assembled onto the next anchor bar. Anchor Packers Australia offers a dynamic, industry-leading system that excels every time in the most difficult of anchoring scenarios. Experience industry-leading technology, an increase in productivity and a decrease in costs. Anchor Packers Australia. Engineering Solutions.